So last Saturday we slid to Brian's house. Rami's now officially affiliated with Broward Boys. So we went to the Clean Culture meet. We recorded the whole meet, did a whole cinematic. After, there was a lot of cool drifting. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Make sure you like, subscribe right now. Press the button right now.
Yo! What's up with all that? Coño, stop!
How many boy dogs you got here?
No, that's the only one I got.
Women, man.
Fuera, man. You crackhead. Stop.
Oh, I don't even want to sit down anymore.
Yo!
I'm scared.
No,
You get pregnant, right? I can't, but it's not my dog.
I'm telling you, if he's helping you, you can shove him. Like, throw that shit across the room. My head, yeah, that almost cried. Alright, we out.
that how they do it in Florida?
All the time. Like nothing.
Like it's nothing. That's how we do it in Florida. We don't play around.
Get out of here. He didn't fuck up.
Yo.
He's straight. His car is straight.
Yo, you think, bro, would you have done an NSX?
No.
Bro,
It's too much money.
I would never drift that car ever. Big props to him though. Big props. He almost crashed, but
They pour gasoline on $40,000, and you have a lighter.
we don't play in Florida, yo. We don't play.
I like how it sounds like a Honda for sure.
Do what?
Honda gang.
Like it sounds like what?
Honda gang. Sounds like a Honda.
Honda gang. Okay, coming from Nismo. Okay.
Nismo's a
What
Honda.
do you think that means?
Nismo's a Honda.
Is he trying to transfer over to us? He's trying to go to Honda. There ain't no Honda boy no more.
Supra.
What are we doing?
Introducing the Supra.
Super time?
Super time.
Yo, how long have you been out here?
I've been out here like since about 6 o'clock, and it's been sensational.
Dang, bro, we ended up going inside.
Yeah, the inside was pretty
We went inside to check out the cars. They stayed out here.
That was the first thing I did.
Dang, we should have went inside first. We missed some stuff out here.
Would have been better in the day.
But they saw it, right?
Yeah, that shit was like 11.
Yo, how was that?
Yeah, I was fired.
How was it?
Ask them if they're good. Oh shit, yo.
Oh shit. This is the guy who fucking
Damn, bro. Yo, is it good?
Good.
Oh, you're not good though. Damn.
Damn, he's sliding around with a fat ass dude.
See, I need a fucking hydro, bro.
You need a trailer, boy. You need a trailer. You need a trailer. What the fuck you gonna do? This kid trying to daily and drift.
No, but if
Like
I
these
wanted,
motherfuckers.
If I wanted that one, like that one time I
We
hit it
like
for the
45
camera.
minutes away from home. What you gonna do?
You were on camera encouraging me to drift.
I did not tell him to drift.
You condone
His
everything that
tires
happened.
are bald right now. He was condoning. Louis was condoning.
That shit would have been lit.
I was saying no for right now, cause his tires are all right. They're done. And then we still get.
The fronts are
We gotta drive 45 minutes, and then he's gonna pop that shit. And what we gonna do? I'm gonna be on the side of the highway
Suck
with
my
him,
nuts.
with 7 other people.